What up, bros? Real quick, you guys need to get one of these little tools. This is called a vice grip. Most of you homies probably know what this is, but you might not. You can get this at Harbor Freight or Home Depot, wherever. Get them on Amazon. So they're pliers, but then they clamp and they stay tight. So I use this to get the props off when you smash and you can't really grab it to hold it, so you can take it off with the prop tool. So I'll go ahead and tighten this up just like that, so that clamped the prop real nice. And then from there you can hold this tool and take it off with your prop tool. I haven't really seen any other homies bring this in their bag or have one at all, so it's nice and small, and it does the job every time. So check that stuff out.
It looks cool when you're flying.
It looks bro sick. You had to get a closer look or what?
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Plug it in.
It's like Legos.
Freaking 3D cam. 3D cam. What? Yeah, dude, what does he say? Just cruising, inverted. I'm inverted right now, you guys. I'm messing with these trees all inverted. What should I do, Tom? There's no depth to the spot. Make it look good. How about that? Like the inverted, sight, watch. Right? Woo! Buddy! Right? Whoa, buddy. Oh, video's good. Buddy! Hello! What? No, dead battery 3D! No, buddy! Kiss of death! Alright, this battery's probably dead. Five minutes? Yeah, the battery's definitely dead. Right? Headed home right now. I just wanted to say thank you to Van and Dave. They hooked it up with this sweet mask, 3D printed, double tank colors, and you just get one of these standard masks right here, and you cut it up. You can get like 5 or 6 little squares, and then you put it in this mask, and it makes it, you know, those little masks last a lot longer. So I appreciate you guys for that. Thank you. Also, I want to say thank you to Jacob. He hooked it up with 50 of those masks. You know, I need them for my job, and you know, they're definitely useful. So thank you so much for that, and I appreciate you. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the little session today. Some little 3D, and yeah, tune in, subscribe, post a like, and cruise into East Denver for all your vape tokes, okay? That's pretty much it. See you guys next month. Later.